Hey everyone, if you are getting the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram, do not worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix it and get your Instagram feed working again. First step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is the most common reason for this error. You can turn on airplane mode on and off and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also restart your router. Another step is to restart the Instagram application. Close the Instagram completely, swipe off from the recent apps and remove it. Open Instagram again and check if the feed refreshes. You can also check for the Instagram server. Open up your preferred web browser and visit downdetector.com and search for Instagram here. If Instagram is down, wait for some time and try again. You can also reinstall the application. Simply delete the application from your device. And go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and download it again. If you are using an outdated version of Instagram, it may cause error. Open up your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. After that, click on Instagram and you will see an update button. Tap on update and your application will be updated to latest version and try again. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with Instagram connection. So disable your VPN and restart Instagram and check if the feed refreshes. And by following these steps, your Instagram feed should refresh smoothly again. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Instagram fixes. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Instagram problems and I will help you out.